Hey everyone, I'm finally doing a smoked out wing eyeliner. I've never done a tutorial on this before as I always try to make my tutorials easy to follow. And finally, I found a way to show you all an easy to follow tutorial on this smoked out eyeliner. I've even added this Inglot glitter on top of my lid to add some glam. In this eyeshadow tutorial, I've used the rose gold eyeshadow palette by Huda Beauty. I'll upload the face makeup tutorial soon. So let's get started. I've got these Colourpop cosmetic brushes since a very long time and I'm going to use a couple of them in this video. They are not sold individually, they come as a set and you can buy them online. I'll tag them in the comments below. I'm going to start with this blending brush and I'll load the brush with the color Sandalwood, which will be my transition color. I'll add this color to my crease in a windshield wiper motion to define my crease. I'm going a bit higher than my original crease to make my eyes look bigger. This brush is pretty good, but the only downfall is that it soaks up a bit of a product, which means you'll have to take more product. Next, I'm taking this flat blending brush in the color Moon Dust and adding it to my eyelid, all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner. I'm adding the color and blending it with the crease color so they look merged. Next, I'm going to create a brown wing eyeliner. I'm using the Brow Wax by Benefitt Cosmetics to create the winged eyeliner. You can even use a regular gel eyeliner. I'm going to stop midway with the liner as I'm going to smoke it out. Then I'm taking the dark brown color on a small blending brush and buffing that wing out. Go slow and create that smoky effect. When there's barely any color left on the brush, then buff out the top tip of the liner. To add some more glam, I'm going to add some loose glitter by Inglot in the number 53. It's got a nice purple sheen. I'll add this over the lid and when lights hit your eyes, it sparkles like diamonds. Then I'm going to take this dark brown color on a pencil brush and adding it to the lower lash line and smoking it out. Never forget to do this step as this will make sure your eyes don't look droopy. Time for lashes. These are the Huda Beauty lashes and I'm using the duo glue to fix them. Next, I'm adding mascara by Colourpop Cosmetics. I waited for a minute for the lash glue to dry before I added mascara. And that's the final look. So the winner for the last week's giveaway was Tamanna and she won the new nude palette by Huda Beauty. She was sweet enough to like all my posts and commented on most of them. And she was super excited to receive her gift. Another amazing giveaway for my blend fans is happening on my Instagram page. The product for this week's giveaway is an eyeshadow palette. I asked you guys to vote for the palette and 4 palettes won with almost equal number of votes. So I've decided that the winner will get to decide which palette they want. Either the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, the one which I've used in this tutorial, or the Riviera palette by Anastasia, or the Moroccan Spice palette by Beauty, or 2 palettes from the Neon palette by Huda Beauty. There are no rules for this giveaway. All you have to do is support my Instagram page by liking and commenting on my post in the next few days, with one lucky winner chosen at random after that. I'm going to have more giveaways in the coming weeks as it is very difficult for me to choose just one winner. You guys have been so supportive and I really appreciate that. So now get commenting and keep blending, my lovelies.